The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 15-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Ka kho ye ka wa Myntdu ne de lai ujor ka ha DC ka West Giant Hills yo khana ye jor kte ka wa Myntdu hei wa ha ka arphau nyau tri unai khinde de yo ye kte ha ki benta ka wa hadam mo pia ka wa man ka thau palang ka PHE wei ha ka arphau le arphau so wele phau tri uni unai chi phau de chem ye ju biang han le hier uslap kat tu kat ni don hi Kasing de ongo wa ini dakta go ya ga yung krekam USDO PHE Electrical Subdivision Jawai wo tan na kani kadam yo pendap ya ki hajar terligi man yung hajawai ki wachania ha ka kor wa ini de jia inai da wo yo ki wachana wa tai ki wati chiep wa ki wati khandau khlem de em wa khang panharot ko wa Myntdu Dong le wa ini dakta ko le ye chaj ikhia ki wachong chnong kham tam ki waduk ki wom em poisa wo thit men de jia waduna hachnong jawai Depan kan mo le ya audisi wa ini wa ro to iman percaya ka an. Kam te de karpat le na audisi wo de tho ye wa pen em kam ya ka poisa wa san lak ka wa de is ngau bha da uma Friday hing ko wa de bu ha po ka bang account ha ka bang ICICI ha ka pratrik January ar haja ar pauso nei benta wo ya da wa ibha imiat ka wa Myntdu.
Ikte sansi uyo kte kani ko Hamupia ka tha palang PHE Ibang chen ba yo Nini ta poi ko ja or khala hitai te le ka pan engineer yo ko engineer tang wadap em lang khandao Pani ne trailer kte ba tang slap myo ri takani man go ti manu yo ka sarkar ni ora ki MLA ki no mi khmat ki jet i go pa i bhai miat chai khia yo